A customized taskbar gives a more appealing look. In this video, I will show you how you can customize taskbar icons on your Windows 11 or how you can change the icons of taskbar on Windows 11. As you can see, I have changed the icons of File Explorer, Notion, Chrome, Microsoft Edge and Task Manager. I will also show you how you can change the icons on your PC easily. And also, if you want to use this transparent taskbar on your PC, I have made another video. I will also link it in the I button on the top. So let's begin this tutorial. So for example, if I want to change the icon pack of Obsidian, first I need to go to a browser and search for the icon that I want to change it to. For example, I will search for Obsidian icon PNG and it will lead me to these results. So let me just choose this one over here and I need to download this, save image as Obsidian. I'll just save it as Obsidian. Now the taskbar icons don't use PNG formats, we need to convert it to ICO formats. For that we will search for PNG to ICO converter and we can go to the first website, convertico.com. Now we can upload this image and it will automatically convert it to ICO format. Let's do it again. Okay, there's it. Now we have this Obsidian icon in ICO format. Now click on this down arrow and you'll be able to download Obsidian ICO. Now first we need to unpin this icon from taskbar. Now search for Obsidian and open the file location of this application and you will see this is the shortcut that was in the taskbar. Now we need to find the original location of this application. This is just a shortcut, so go to show more and click on open file location and this is the original file location of this application Obsidian. So I'll just right click on it, so more options and pin this application to taskbar. Now this is pinned to taskbar. Now right click on it and right click on this Obsidian up, click on properties and now you can see there's an option to change icon. Click on browse and now we have downloaded this Obsidian. Click on open, OK, apply and OK. It might take a few time to apply the changes, but you can also use Task Manager and restart your Explorer if you want to see the results immediately. As you can see, there's the change in the taskbar icon. Let me show you with another example. For example, I will show you with this Brave browser. So I'll just go to Chrome, search for Brave browser icon pack icon PNG, and as you can see these are different icons I have here and I will let's download this one. Right click, save image as, and now go to this website convertico, click on upload, select the file and now we have this Brave ICO format of Brave icon. Now first unpin this from the taskbar, search for Brave and right click on it, open file location and this is also a shortcut. You can change the icon on shortcut but it will not work properly throughout your system, so we'll need to right click on it again and open file location and this is the original file location of the Brave application, Brave browser. So let's go to show more option and pin to taskbar. Now we have it here. Now right click on it, right click on the Brave browser just above on pin from taskbar, click on properties and you can see this option to change icon. Now these are different default icons that you can change to, but we want to change this to this one that we downloaded from the web. So click on apply, click on OK. It will take some time to for the effects to change, but you can always go to File Explorer and restart File Explorer to see the results immediately. Now you can see we have this different icon of Brave browser over here. So this is how you change the icons on Windows 11 taskbar. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, and for more videos like this, so hit the subscribe button.